What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia, and today we're putting in windows. What's up, fam? Thanks for subscribing, liking the channel. And for those people who have not subscribed and liked to the channel, go ahead and do that right now. Click that button so your boy can get 3,000 subscribers. So if you haven't been to the channel, I'm just a guy who goes around, put stuff on YouTube to tell you how difficult it is to do lawn care, but also how much profitable it can be if you do it right. So I'm here and I'm at my, what I call QC headquarters. This is where I purchased a home, not only for to have a place to stay, but also in mind of I have room for some workers if need be. Well, so today we're putting in windows, guys. I got the guys over here from Window World. If you don't know who they are, look them up. They're pretty reasonable, but they still high as hell. I don't know how those two go together, but they do, believe it or not. So I'm gonna let you guys see what they're doing, how they doing it, and give you some before pictures and after pictures, fam. You got any questions? Please put it in the comment section. You know, questions like how much did it cost you? A pretty penny. How many windows there were? It was a bunch. I think it was about 18 windows, 2 patio doors. Hey, so doing the work, check it out. So fam, you can look at the window and you can look right here. See how they got a little space in there? It's a little space in there. I don't know how they do it, but they're gonna put some magic in there where all that space is gonna be gone. It's called spray foam. It's called spray foam. I hadn't seen it yet. I ain't never put a window in myself, personally. I've knocked out a few. Never put a few in. All right.